Hey everyone, Mark here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna do a side dish, a simple side dish, and it involves peas, which I don't think get a lot of love. And what I really like about this side dish is you can have it as is, you can add a protein to it, you can mash it up a little bit, make it into a pasta, or you can just turn this into a puree and add scallops on it. Oh, this is a great dish, pretty versatile. Overall, it's delicious. So we're gonna start by prepping the sauce. Finely chop up half of a small red onion and set aside. Then we have some fresh basil and some fresh mint. Stick with me if you just scratched your head about the mint. But I'm sure you've heard before that peas and mint go perfectly together. So you can finely chop up, tear, or do a chiffonade with the leaves. But with the basil, I'm just gonna pick 6 fairly large leaves and just tear into pieces. And with the mint leaves, I'm picking about 4 leaves, fairly large, and I'm stacking the leaves from largest to smallest, and then I'm gonna roll up into a tight little cigar and finally slice into a chiffonade. But like I said, you can prepare the basil and mint however you like. In a pan on low to medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then add the onions, season with salt, freshly cracked pepper, and of course chili flakes for some heat. And then saute until tender, stirring frequently. All right, let's talk about the peas here for a second, or a minute, because I have a few different options here. So what I'm gonna do today is we're gonna blanch them in salted boiling water, and then we're gonna toss those after a couple minutes into an ice bath, and that is gonna stop them from cooking all the way through and get all mushy. And it's also gonna keep its nice vibrant green color and the nice crisp texture that you want. Now, you can skip the ice bath and you can just blanch them and then toss them into our sauce mixture that we made and just toss them through and coat them and then serve. Or you can skip both of these steps and just use frozen peas and toss those into the mixture and just mix and mix until the peas have thawed and are cooked. So let's salt the boiling water, add 400 grams of fresh peas, which I rinsed beforehand, give a stir, and after 2 to 3 minutes, you'll see that some will float to the top. And that's a good sign to tell you that they're ready to be removed. Remove and add to the ice bath. The ice bath is another great way to prepare the peas beforehand. That way they can stay in the fridge for a couple days, or you can prep to freeze them for later use. Then remove and drain the peas to a separate bowl.
How come you eat your peas one at a time?
Well, what's the hurry?
Add your peas to the sauce along with the basil and mint and just a little bit of lemon zest, and mix and toss for 1 to 2 minutes until everything is coated and the peas are warmed through. Now, you can add finely grated pecorino romano at this point, as much as you like, and mix it in, but remove the pan from the heat or turn off the heat, just so it doesn't get all stringy and gloppy. Or you can just use it as garnish. Taste and adjust any seasonings, plate it up, grate some pecorino romano on top, and bring it to the table. This is a nice flavorful green pea side dish. Now give the mint a chance. It really complements everything really well. The pecorino romano adds a nice salty bit, the sweetness of the peas, the onions. I mean, this is great. Peas don't get a lot of love, so maybe give this peas side dish a chance. Give peas a chance. Hope you enjoy this recipe. As always, the recipe link is in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.